flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made these amazing Chanel Pink Moscato chocolate covered strawberries. Absolutely everything, honey. Let's go. To start off, you want to wash your strawberries and you want to place them in a bowl. You're going to pour your pink Moscato over the strawberries enough to cover them, and you want to cover them, place them in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Simple, huh? The next step is to melt your chocolate. It doesn't matter what brand you use, it doesn't matter what kind you use, as long as you have a smooth melted chocolate. And to make it smooth, I add shortening in mine. I have this candy pot that controls the temperature on it, which I purchased it from Walmart. But if you don't have a candy pot, it's fine because you can always use the microwave. But if your microwave is high powered like mine is, I highly suggest that you do 15-second increments versus 30 increments. Like 15 seconds, take it out, check it, stir it up. If it's not completely melted and smooth, put it back in there for another 15 seconds, check it. I made the mistake of putting my chocolate in a microwave, which you guys can see, because once I got ready to dip the strawberries, I realized I didn't have like enough chocolate and I wanted to use the faster process. Put it in there and I burned it up. But anyway, nevertheless, I had a backup. While your chocolate is melting, you want to take your strawberries out of the wine and you want to pet them dry. Don't do it too hard because you don't want to like mush the strawberries, make them mushy. So just pat them dry with a paper towel and set them aside. I wanted to go with a light pink color because of the pink Moscato. So I'm just adding gel food coloring, and gel food coloring is what you would add to candy or chocolate. That way it will prevent it from gunking up. So just a keynote, if you're going to add food coloring to it, make sure it's gel food coloring and not the regular food coloring. Once your candy is completely melted, you want to pour it into a bowl, a cup, something that you can dip it in, but you're going to need something that's deep enough so that you can get all of the strawberries dipped very well in chocolate, which I see here. I don't have enough chocolate melted, and when I went to go put more candy in there and use the microwave, this happened. It burnt up, you guys, burned up. I have a high power microwave and I was not paying attention and it burned up. So it's okay because I always have a backup plan. I'm not even mad. Anyways, I am just going to get me some chocolate, brown chocolate, and we're going to resume this video. Watch how they turn out. Now that we have our chocolate, we got some milk chocolate, honey. Yes! You're going to need toothpicks. And toothpicks is just going to help you secure them while you are dipping them. And as you can see, I have one of my mugs here that's deep enough so that the strawberry can get a fully good coat of chocolate. And I am putting my toothpicks in each one of my strawberries. Now that all our strawberries are there, it's the decorating part. You can decorate them however you want to. I had a little bit of white chocolate chips left in the bag, so I just decided to use that for drizzling because it definitely wasn't enough to, dip them in. So decorate as desired, get as fancy as you want because it's your show. I left some of my strawberries plain, and that is because I wanted to use this gold dust that I purchased. Yes, it is edible, but it gives your strawberries a nice finish, a golden shine, like they look artificial. Like I absolutely love this stuff. Like it is absolutely amazing. Now I have black fondant and I have my Chanel mold that I ordered from somewhere some time ago. I can't even tell you where, but I did order it offline, and it has Chanel and it has like some other ones on here, but the Chanel is my favorite. So I'm just gonna use the black fondant to put in there, and with the black fondant you just work it with your hands to make it smooth and soft, and then you place it how you want to place it, and as it dries it gets hard. And the black, this is black, but it's also the vanilla flavor. It is edible, and I just absolutely love this stuff. For the last and final step in these strawberry making, you're just gonna pour some of your pink Moscato in a little bowl or something, and you're gonna get your pipettes, which I did order these from Amazon, and you're just gonna fill them up with the wine, and you're gonna stick them at the top of the strawberries with a stem at, whether you like them straight up or whether you like them laying to the side. It doesn't matter, it's your show. But other than that, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy my Chanel Pink Moscato chocolate covered strawberries. These could be made with or without the wine, the alcohol. They are great with Valentine's Day, like around the corner. They'll be a great Valentine's Day gift for anyone. You can make them without the alcohol for your kids, and it just makes an amazing gift. Happen to click on this video and you're new to my channel, make sure you go turn your bell on and hit that subscribe button. That way you can be down with me And to my subscribers out there, I love you guys. I truly, truly do. And thanks for all of your support this fall, because you know what? It wouldn't be possible without you guys. Until the next time, and for the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.